In 2020, Apple Computer makes a big move going into its big event tomorrow, up $8.21. Yeah, with the $3 gap to start it with. So they opened it at 120. We made the highs up there, baby, at 125.18. How about that? 119.28, 124.70 by 124.71 is where it's printing right now. The volume was quite big. 238 million shares were traded on Apple. And here we are, right where Apple was making all time highs going into the stock split. If we get up there, that is. So, right now, though, we're very close to that. And we've seen this story before. So, we're going to be looking to see what happens at 127. And once again, the stocks were being bid up going into the actual event tomorrow. So when we hear the presentation and what those iPhones and other things are going to be like, then we're going to get a little bit more clarity on Apple Computer. But Apple Computer went up very nicely, and it did. And it had that breakout. And that breakout started with the gap open, and the breakout started with the gap. But let me just show you something. We've been going across here on the 50-day moving average for 10 days, and Apple would go nowhere. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and consolidate. Consolidate is what it did. It consolidated right across here, and it did. And that's the gap, and that's the great move. And all eyes will be on the presentation tomorrow. And once again, I will just caution people, you know, um, you prefer to want to buy pullbacks in Apple if you could, um, after a big gap up. So we're going to find out tomorrow. And if there is a pullback, then we look at to buy that pullback because at, at, at a good support level, then we would break higher off of the news and continue the run. So that's what we look at when we are looking at Apple. And ever since it's had the stock split, the options don't trade like they used to. They still premium and whatnot. So if you're trading the stock, then you're going to be all right. And you get in and you get out. And there is the high today with the gap open up. Congratulations to the new product line tomorrow.